Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 13th of December 2019. Okay, guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay, guys, we have another massive day with trading, and this is the signals report that I have sent to the subscribers early in the morning. And New Zealand USD with a bearish expectation from 0.66110 and 0.65751 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have a drop on New Zealand USD today, and the market has went up down up to 0.65874. So overall, you know that the momentum is bit slow on the market on certain pairs. So overall, if you have traded this zone up and traded this signal up to 70%, then you must have taken a very good profit. At next, we are going to talk about Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, let me switch my chart to that particular pair. Okay, we are here. Okay, I'm just going to take you towards the signals report. So Great Britain Pound USD with a bearish expectation from 134069 and 132574. And guys, you can see we have a drop on that particular pair. The market started to go down right from the entry, and then it has certainly went down as per the expectation. Okay, so guys, you can ask a question that why I have given a bearish signal, because we have a very good massive upward momentum in yesterday close. So guys, the price, if you look at the price was too high on Great Britain Pound USD. That was not wise to buy this pair at that level. That's why I have turned bearish from bullish. Yesterday my signal was bullish on Great Britain Pound USD, but today I have turned it into bearish, because it was based on the price action. At next, let's talk about USD JPY. Let me switch my chart. Okay, guys. It has basically gone nowhere. My signal was bearish on that pair from 10950.512, and you can see we have a drop on this candle already, but the next candle pumped up. So guys, we have taken this drop benefit from here, because if you look at the overall momentum of the market was slow. So whenever you are looking at such momentum, then the momentum is then it is not good to trade certain pairs. That's why we prefer to take early exits on such pair. That's why we am out on USD JPY. At next, we are going to talk about Great Britain Pound JPY, and let me take you towards the chart. Okay, we are here. Just a second, my laptop is a bit slow today. Okay, so I'm going to take you towards the signals report right now. Great Britain Pound JPY with a similar bearish expectation from 146980, and 144994 is the target price. And guys, you can clearly see we have the drop on that particular pair. That was the time to enter into the market, and after that the market has made the bearish pattern on the chart, and Great Britain Pound JPY has certainly gone down. So guys, again the same question arises, that why the signal was bearish from my side, and I'm going to tell you that this signal was based on the price action, because the price was moved so much high. So I was not expecting the further incline in the price, so that I was expecting the decline. So that's why I have moved towards the bearish signal. Okay, at next we have Euro JPY, and let's move to the chart. Okay, so Euro JPY, the same thing that we have look on the other pair, on USD as like USD JPY. So overall, if you look at the momentum on Euro JPY, it was very slow. So we have done an early exit as it is breaks our entry. We have turned we were bearish on that pair from 12240 and 12117 was the target price. However, the target price is not met, but it has went you can say the 50% down, and after that again the candle is up. So overall, you can say that there was almost no volatility in the market on that particular period. At last, I'm going to talk about AUD JPY, which is the last signal of my signals report, and that's the fully satisfied signal. And you can see that the AUD JPY with the bearish expectation from 75758 and 75141 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have a very good sound downward trend, and within 3 candles we have hit our target price, and after that market has moved up. So guys, you can ask a question that why these type of candles are arising, like it was sudden down, it hit our target price, signal was expired, and then it has went up, because this is called volatility that comes on the Friday. The Friday, such Fridays When we talk about the Friday evenings, we can expect such type of volatility, a sudden up, a sudden down. So basically, Fridays, the second session does not make any sense because the market movers are trying to make a lot of money during this volatility, so they take the benefit from this, and the small traders are eliminated from the market. So be careful when you are trading the second session of the Friday. Okay, guys, let me take you towards the any chart so that we can explain about the trading system. Okay, guys, you can see there are two red boundaries on the chart. So this is a trading indicator. So this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading, who are just new to the 200 Forex Web trading channel. Let me explain. Whenever the market is into the low red boundary and it's gaining the momentum, you can see from the lower red boundary, the market was making the upward momentum in a very nice way, and AUD JPY was going up, and sorry, New Zealand USD was going up. That was the best time to buy this pair. And if you look at here, we have another sporting indicators that is called scalper, and the scalper has pointed you with a buy signal in the form of white arrow, and then how sweetly the market has went up. And whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection from the top red boundary, you can see the momentum was going down, and finally the pair has went down. So in this scenario, you can sell the pair. And if you look at the top, you can find three red arrows, and we ignore white arrows at the overbought levels. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay, guys, we have closed this week in a very good manner, and hopefully you must have enjoyed the trading a lot. So guys, overall, if you are interested in subscribing to my daily Forex signal service, if you are interested in getting this trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I come to know in the morning that this is going to be bearish and bullish, like for example, I was bearish on AUD JPY. So how I come to know about this thing? This thing is basically based on a trick, and I teach this trick for $700, and I take the subscribers on Skype for 3 days for coaching, and he prepare the signals with me. And after that, you can prepare your own signals, and you can even resell your signals to any subscribers or any through website. It depends on you. So guys, if you are interested in any of the service, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye.